Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Dark clouds gather as Timo walks across an open field. Rain begins to fall in heavy drops. A tall, isolated tree stands nearby, offering quick cover from the rain. Farther away, a small wooden shelter sits near the edge of the field. A helpful word becomes important in this moment. Prudent. Prudent means making wise and careful decisions. Running to the tree would be faster and easier. Timo chooses to head toward the shelter instead. Lightning strikes the tall tree moments later. Timo reaches the shelter safely and remembers that being prudent means thinking ahead and choosing the safest option, even when it takes more effort.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.